What's up my friends? In this video we are going to signing up on rubygems.org, which will allow me to better explain stuff. So don't worry, it is completely free. All you need is an active email address and that's it. So we are going to visit rubygems.org/signup and we are going to put our email address here and the username which is rubygems for me, because it is already not taken, and we are going to signing up and we need to confirm our email address. As you can see, I have got the email. If I click on verify, the account is created. That's what we need to do. To upload one avatar, we'll need to visit Gravatar with the same email and add an image there. That's it. I do thank you for watching and hope that you have a great day.